Hello, in this class we'll talk about little, a little and few, a few. These are quantifiers as they express the quantity of the objects. They tell us about how much and how many. They are used before nouns. You can overcome your confusion regarding these quantifiers by watching this video till the end. First we'll discuss about little, a little, then few, a few. After that, we'll see the difference between them while talking about them together. Then there will be a practice exercise. Let's get started. Little and a little. Little and a little are used with uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are those nouns which can't be counted. For example, water, rice, money. We can't say one water or two water. These nouns are singular. Little conveys a negative idea. It means not much. For example, there is little milk left in the kettle. Or you can say, there is not much milk left in the kettle. Here, a negative idea is conveyed. To make the idea more negative, you can add very. There is very little milk left in the kettle. Very little is less than little. Some more examples for little. She has little money. It means she has not much money. There was little traffic on the highway, which means there was not much traffic on the highway. A little conveys a positive idea. It means some or a small amount. For example, he has a little food with him, or he has some food with him. It is a positive idea. Other examples, it's good to spend a little time in meditation. He donates a little money every month, or he donates some money every month. Next is few and a few. Few and a few are used with plural countable nouns. Countable nouns are those nouns which can be counted. For example, glasses, questions, apples. We can count glasses like 2 glasses, 3 glasses, and so on. Few conveys a negative idea. It means not many. For example, there were few students in the library, or there were not many students in the library. It conveys a negative idea. To make the idea more negative, you can add very to few. Like, there were very few students in the library. Some more examples with few. Few people went to the fair. She has few photos on Facebook, or she has not many photos on Facebook. Like a little, a few also conveys a positive idea. It means some. For example, there are a few books on the table, or there are some books on the table. He has read a few pages of the novel. A few children are playing in the park, or you can say, some children are playing in the park. It is a positive idea. Let's discuss little, a little, and few, a few together. First, let's see their difference. Little and a little are used with uncountable nouns, whereas few and a few are used with countable nouns. These expressions show the speaker's attitude towards the quantity he or she is referring to. You have to use them in a right manner to form correct sentences. To make a positive statement use a little. For example, she was happy to see a little sugar in the pot. You can't say, she was happy to see little sugar in the pot. This is wrong. If you are using little, you have to make changes in the first part of the sentence like this. She was sad to see little sugar in the pot. In this way, it becomes a negative statement. To make it more negative, you can use very little in place of little, like she was sad to see very little sugar in the pot. The same is true for a few, and very few. To conclude, little and a little are used with uncountable nouns. Few and a few are used with countable nouns. A little and a few give positive idea. Little and few give negative idea. Very little and very few make the idea more negative. Now, time to practice what you have done so far. Fill in the blanks with little, a little, few or a few. First, could we have dash coffee please? Coffee is an uncountable noun, so we'll use little. It is a positive statement, so a little. Sentence says, could we have a little coffee please? Number 4, she has made dash paintings which are worth seeing. Paintings are countable and it is a positive statement, so we'll use a few. She has made a few paintings which are worth seeing. Number 7, I have dash food in my lunch box. You can take it. Here food is uncountable and it is a positive statement. So we'll put a little here. I have a little food in my lunch box. You can take it. Now complete the remaining sentences and then match your answers here. Also, let me know in the comment section how many sentences have you done correct on your own. This is the end of the lesson. I hope your confusion among these words is clear now. We'll meet soon with another lesson. Till then, bye.